Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Also, from a disclosure standpoint, I do own Apple from the long side in my retirement portfolio, so just keep that in mind as I go through the analysis. Well, the bloodshed continues here on Apple. A totally bearish day, and not only day, but overall really week for the most part. So updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning, get rid of that line there. Yeah, that level's served its purpose for now, and yeah, it still pertains to the chart, just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first big update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's what happened with 109. As I pointed out in the previous video I did, 109 had done a fantastic job of holding that support. I mean, stubborn. But then this morning, the price just was not, the bulls weren't strong enough. They ran out of strength. And the bears, you can see right there, once that was broken, really opened up the floodgates of momentum to the downside, and then down it went from there. So point here being, if there's any sort of attempted consolidation and then attempted move to the upside, 109 is now going to be that first key battleground that you're going to want to watch from the resistance side of things. Also, just keep in the back of your mind, you have the 50-period moving average up there, that purple line currently valued right around 111.80. But definitely before you get too far ahead of yourself, the price first just needs to break above the 109 mark. In terms of levels of support, nothing fancy here at all. Just a question of, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And the bleeding finally stopped down there at the 106 mark. So 106, that first key level. If that level cannot quite hold up, then as you're seeing here, it's getting hard to see, but that just really goes to show that it's been quite a while since the price has been down this low. But if 106 cannot quite hold up, then, it opens up into another pretty big space on the chart with the next level of support not being until down around the 103 mark. So those are going to be the main levels to watch going forward. But overall, the bears are eating quite a bit of apples this week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.